Hey guys, it's Heather, and I am actually working on a new kvCORE site. This kind of where we're at right now. And I came across something that I thought was very interesting. So we're able to add what they call these areas we cover, and you can add every single thing in the MLS, or we're just kind of going through each city at this point. But on our booth sites, a lot of the sites I did, we were able to kind of create different pages, add videos, links of interest, whatnot. So my workaround was actually adding that to the blogs. So I was adding it to the blog. But what I found out is inside of these blogs, I can actually copy and paste the HTML from the blog. Let me just come over here real quick. So I can come over here. I can add whatever I want, add a little header. I can come over here. I do Control A, depends on what you have. X out of here. So I copied that HTML from the blog. Now I'm going to come over to site content, and I'm going to come down to service areas and SEO. So for each blog city, I'm actually pasting the HTML from the blog. So let me show you what that kind of looks like. This is with me adding the content. I've got my links, my header, and the video. This goes above the default content, which will show you listings, tons of great information, maps, all of this cool stuff, as well as every single subdivision within the tax records for each city. So it's absolutely awesome. But I thought this was a fun trick if you've added content or have content on another website to be able to add information to those area pages. I hope that helps. Chat soon. Bye.